Hello and welcome to another tutorial by Happy Cow Solutions. So one of Microsoft's latest release is Windows Server 2025, and they have made this ISO file available for the members of the Insider program to test it out and also provide feedback. So basically what we'll be doing today is to register for this Insider program, download the ISO file, and actually do the installation and setup of the Windows Server 2025 machine. I will be creating a virtual machine on a Hyper-V manager. So just to reiterate, what we'll be doing today is to register for the Windows Insider program. The link is provided in the comment section. That's the link to register for the program. And then download the ISO file for Windows Server 2025. The link to the page which allows you to download the file is also provided in the comment section. The next thing we'll do is to retrieve the free product key provided by Microsoft. So Microsoft has provided a product key for these testing purposes, and it's going to be valid till the 15th of September 2024. So the link to also go and get the key is also provided in the comment section. And then we'll install and set up a Windows Server 2025 machine on a Hyper-V virtual machine. All right, so the virtual machine basically is going to be hosted on Hyper-V, and on that virtual machine, we would install Windows Server 2025. To download the Windows Server 2025 ISO file, you need to be part of the Windows Insider program, okay? And you can get to this page using the link provided in the comment section. So scroll down, you see where it says register. So I'll just click register, sign in now. So I'm going to sign in with this account. And input my password. All right. So at this point, you have registered to the Windows Insider program. First, or before you do that, or before you complete your registration, you also have to accept the program terms and agreements. Scroll, 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 accept, register now. Okay. Welcome to the Windows Insider program. Hooray! Flight now. So now, the next thing we want to do is to find the ISO file and download it. So let's do that. So after signing up and registering for the Windows Insider program, you want to go to this link. It's also provided in the comment section. Here, you see the various versions that are available to be downloaded. We are looking to download the ISO file. So we're going to select the Windows Server vNext Preview ISO Canary build 260.5.2. Okay, so click on this, click on confirm, validating my request. Okay, so now I select language, English, confirm. So now they have provided a link for me to download the ISO file. This link is only valid for 24 hours from the time of creation. So I'll just click download now and download. Okay. So now we're going to wait for the file to be done downloading, and I hope that you're also following with this tutorial, and at this point you're also downloading your ISO file. So I'm going to be right back when the file is done downloading, and we will move to installation and setup. So the ISO file is done downloading. The next thing we're going to do is to create the virtual machine and then use the ISO file that we just downloaded. Hello viewers, my name is Kachi. This is a short break just to urge and ask you to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This channel is used to bring educative videos that are relevant in the information technology world. We bring videos on web development, cloud computing, DevOps, and even artificial intelligence (AI). But the videos are not just limited to that. We also provide videos as they are relevant to the community. We ask that you support us through your likes and subscription. Thank you. I look forward to seeing you as part of our subscribers. Now, let's get back to business. A Hyper-V manager will be used to create the Windows Server 2025 machine. So let's get started. When you open your Hyper-V manager, this is how it's going to look like at first. What you want to do next is to click on New and then click on Virtual Machine. Next, we're going to give it a name, Windows Server 2025, and then click on Next, leave it as Gen 1, and I'm going to use 4096, click on Next, click on Next, and so I'm going to leave it this way and click on Next. Alright, so install an operating system from a bootable CD or DVD-ROM. Select that. We're going to use an ISO file. Downloads. Select that. Alright, so basically select the ISO file that we just downloaded in the previous step, and then click on Next. Go through all that you've done here. We'll do the connection later, and then click on Finish. Alright, so now here is the computer that we just created, which is Windows Server 2025. Right click on it and click on Start. Alright, so now we see that it's running. Right click, you can just double click. What is going to allow for the machine to boot up. Okay, it's loading. You just have to be patient with it. Right. Select the language that you want. I'll leave it as English. Click on Next. Leave it as this. Click on Next. Install Windows Server. I agree. And then click on Next. Microsoft has provided free product keys that will be eligible till September 15th, 2024. So we'll come back to this later. It will then ask me to select the type of Windows Server, if it's standard or data center. I'm going to select the desktop experience. And then next. Okay, scroll. Accept. Next. So we're just going to wait for it to load as I click next. Okay, install. So now we have to wait for this 0% to go all the way to 100%. So this is going to take some time. I'm going to pause the video and come back when it's done. The installation still continues and you're advised to leave your computer on. So we'll just wait for the installation to be done and we'll get back to it. So we are back at this point where we have to enter the product key. Alright, so let me show you where to get it from. Microsoft has provided product key for free and this will be valid till September 15th, 2024. So I'm just going to copy the one for the standard version because that's what I need. And go back, compute key. No, I have to copy it. So let me just put this on a different screen so I can copy it. Right. So anyone can use this key as long as you have signed up for the insider program and you have the ISO file. So you can as well just copy the same thing from the screen here or go to the link provided in the comment section. YVH. Okay, just cross checking that I typed it right. SMP 63349. Alright, so next, check on the key. So I'm just going to give it a simple password or a complex password because I mean Microsoft has the password criteria, so it has to be capital letter, there has to be numbers, there has to be some characters. So just give it password and click finish. Alright, we're almost at the end. Just wait for it to boot. Okay. Click there. Enter the password you just created. So the rest is straightforward. You just have to accept the terms. Okay. Accept the terms. And voila, now you have your system here. Expanding it, this is what we get. So let's go to the settings and find out more about our system. Okay. Open. Scroll down. Go to about. And then you see the device name. Let's scroll down. Yep, this is what I'm looking for. So now you can see that we have a Windows Server 2025 Standard Edition and we are using version 24H2. Okay, so we have successfully downloaded, installed, and set up a Windows Server 2025 Standard machine on a Hyper-V. I hope you were able to follow with this tutorial, and at the end you have also created your own Windows Server 2025 machine. All right, I believe you've enjoyed the video, but in case you still need help setting up your Windows server, whether 2025 or the past releases, Happy Cloud Solutions is just a click away. You can contact us through our website. The link is provided on your screen. You can also call us with the number on your screen. And you can also send us an email at info@happycloudsolutions.com. We're always very ready to receive your comments and your feedbacks. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's keep doing what we do. Thank you.